Ready to unleash your website's true potential and dominate the search engine rankings? Welcome to SEO Synd Suite. In today's world, having a strong online presence is crucial, and with SEO Synd Suite, you can skyrocket your SEO rankings effortlessly. Imagine this: in just a few clicks, you can gain high-quality backlinks and embeds from trusted sources, paving the way for your business to shine on both Google and YouTube. Whether you're a seasoned marketer or just stepping into the realm of SEO, this powerful toolset is designed for everyone. With its unmatched power and simplicity, you'll find that standing out in today's digital landscape has never been easier. But wait, you might be wondering, is this the right tool for me? Absolutely. SEO Synd Suite is perfect for business owners looking to enhance their visibility and marketers wanting to refine their strategies. Our user-friendly interface means you won't need to be a tech guru to make the most out of this amazing suite. Now let's talk about results. With SEO Synd Suite, you're not just gaining backlinks. You're building a solid foundation for your online presence that leads to higher rankings and increased sales. And the best part? We offer a 30-day money-back guarantee, which means there's absolutely nothing to lose and only top rankings and profits to gain. So why wait? Don't miss out on this exclusive opportunity to transform your SEO strategy and take your business to new heights. Join the ranks of successful users who have already unlocked the power of SEO Synd Suite. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel for more insights and tips to boost your online presence. Your support helps us bring more valuable content to you. Let's conquer the digital landscape together.